We guide you through how to fix a black screen issue on Samsung Galaxy phone when the display won't turn on but device still has power. First thing you need to do is to force restart your phone by pressing and holding the power and volume down buttons at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the Samsung logo appears. If the screen stays black, plug your phone into a charger and let it charge for at least 20 minutes, then try the force restart again. Next, check if the phone responds to calls, vibration, or notifications, which confirms the device is still running. If it does, boot into safe mode by holding the power button, tapping and holding power off, then select safe mode to check if a third party app is causing the issue. If the screen still doesn't work, connect the phone to a computer or visit a Samsung service center as the problem may be related to a display or hardware issue that needs professional repair.